Hey everyone, it's me, Code1996, and today I'm here with the Shark Navigator Lift-Away with 0M. We are going to see how well this one performs, since I don't like the performance of the DuoClean with 0M powered Lift-Away. So this one is not a power Lift-Away. It does not have DuoClean, but I took a look at the power head in the store and I liked the design of this power head better than DuoClean. It has slots in the front to allow larger debris to slide in, and you can always tilt it to the side if you need to pick up large debris or use the wand. So this design is better than the DuoClean because you're not going to have the DuoClean brush roll pushing the dirt back onto the carpet. So I can already tell you that I like the power head better. So it does have the 0M, so it is going to be able to maintain a cleaner brush bar than you would a non-0M machine, because it actively removes the hair wrap from the brush roll. Long, short, pet hair, human hair. So it has their anti-allergen complete seal with the lightweight design and powerful deep cleaning on carpets and hard floors. And I'm sure this comes with a basic amount of accessories, but thankfully we have the Power Lift-Away True Pet model also, where we can test the accessories for this machine. This Shark Navigator Lift-Away comes with a 5-year warranty with a duster crevice tool, a wide upholstery tool, and a hair removal multi-tool. Shark is congratulating us for buying the new Navigator Lift-Away Speed. They say vacuuming just got faster, easier, and cleaner, so hopefully this will work better than the last one that I have, because I don't like the other one very much. So let's take a look at this one. First, when you open the box, you have the quick start guide, which shows the assembly, but we will be doing that together, so we don't need those. Alright, so I don't even know what this is going to be right here. So we're going to pull this out. Right here, just like that, one-handed, just wiggle it out. So this is the power head, right here. All this that came out, that is a pretty big power head right here. It's not too heavy, doesn't feel like you don't have that second brush roll adding all that weight on the front of it, so that's nice that it's not super ginormous. If you do need to get access to your brush roll, you just take a coin to these 3 locks right here, and take this whole plate off right here to get access to your airflow inlet here. So if there's a blockage or a clog, you can get in there and clean that, and also you can clean your brush roll here. Next, we have the crevice tool dusting brush right here. So this is the crevice tool dusting brush that comes with the machine. You just push this button here, and this goes up like that. So you can see how long that is. You can dust with that, and there's nice airflow inlets right here, and these are nice and soft for dusting, like your television screens or anything that's delicate. Next we have is a tool holder that hooks onto the machine. Here you can see our crevice tool. It has lint grabbing material here, nice airflow inlets on each side, so you can have proper airflow for cleaning your stairs, which this would be good for, or your curtains. Here is the multi-pet hair tool. You just hit the release button right there, and this comes off just like that for a regular upholstery tool. So this one you can use on your stairs or any large surface area, and this one you can use on your chairs and your couches for more direct section, or in your car. You can see right here there's lots of airflow inlets in the sides of each of this. And there's like double airflow right there, so that's good. It's not going to bat down as bad. So you can get the proper airflow for cleaning, and this just clips right on just like that. And now you're ready to get pet hair. So right here is the hose and handle. It has a nice seal right here where it hooks to the machine. This is rubber coated, so it feels really nice in your hand. It's really ergonomic. It has a place for your thumb right here, and it just feels really nice to move and really soft to the touch. And this doesn't look like the longest hose, but it is, you know, all bundled up. So we'll have to see how long that hose is, but honestly it doesn't look like it's going to have that long of a hose. You can see the hose hook right there. So right here you have remove for the slide, so make sure you take this off. And there is your suction control. So right there you can see You can adjust for different types of carpet, or if you are vacuuming your curtains or upholstery and it has too much airflow, you can decrease the airflow right there. So that's nice. So there is lots of choices for you to choose between airflow right there. Alright, so next it looks like we have our extension wand. So all of this looks smaller than the powered lift-away. Like this looks like it's just an inch wide of piping for airflow. So that's gonna be a little bit difficult for very large debris, but it still looks like it'll be able to pick up debris good. It's wider than some of the Dyson wands that I've seen that have been ridiculously small. It can't even get a dime to be sucked through. So that is good. So right away, taking this out of the box, I can tell that this is so much lighter than the powered lift-away when you have it in the lift-away mode. So this is going to be more pleasant and walking around, dusting and vacuuming above the floor than with the powered lift-away, because the powered lift-away is so heavy, and this literally weighs almost nothing. Like, it feels like a gallon of milk, maybe a little bit more than a gallon of milk. So that is really good. To remove the dirt bin, you just pull these two levers up on each side right here, and you can see the filter right here. It is nice and clean. That's the basic Shark felt and foam filter. So right here you can see that looks like that's the airflow right there. I thought that might have been like a filter sensor, but that's nothing. I think that's the airflow relief valve right there. So that prevents the motor from getting too hot. So that would make sense, because if the filters get too dirty, it uses the airflow regulator right there. It opens up and prevents your motor from overheating. So that's nice that they have it right there. So that's underneath the filters, so it protects your machine if your filters get too dirty. So that is, it says insert top first, so that's the top right there. So underneath here, that is your seal. This is the type of dirt bin that I like to see, because it's going to allow for some dirt to be compact and have an actual like cyclonic effect with the dirt, instead of just fluffing it in there like in the powered lift-away. So the tool holder attaches right here above the lift-away button. So that attaches just like that, and you can attach any of the tools that you decide. And to lift away, you just push that button and lift up, and it will remove the machine. Next, you're going to take your hose connection and firmly secure it into place like so, just like that, until you hear the click. So that is in place, and you're going to take your hose holder and place it right in there like that. So now you have completely assembled your Shark Navigator Lift-Away. So now that we have our Shark Navigator Lift-Away with the 0M cleaner head completely assembled, we are going to see how well it performs on this white rug that is very high traffic. The dogs go in and out multiple times a day, and as you can see, we have the outside on the inside. So we're going to see how well the Shark performs at picking up all of this hair and large debris off the ground. So right here are the power settings. You can see there's off, hard floor, and carpet. So the first setting is hard floor, the second setting is carpet. So we're going to turn it on the carpet setting. So here we go. It's not too loud. It's not ear-piercing, but it's not especially quiet. But you can definitely tell it is quieter than previous machines. The air coming out smells clean as expected. You can already see some dirt and dust getting sucked into the machine without even turning on the brush roll. So it has a lot of power. You can hear the airflow of the machine. There's a ton of airflow. So we're going to recline this and see how well it performs. There's a little bit more agitation here than with the 0M. So forward and back, and that looks pretty clean to me. Not too much agitation. You can see some hair right here. It seemed to pick it up. Picked up that one pass. Let's try this here. There's a stain right there. You can see it picked up all the hair in the dirt. So you can see how the dirt is getting compact in the dirt bin instead of just fluff down there, which I like. You can see it just picked those right up and now they're in the bin. You see a nice clean pass on the forward. It's because you don't have that second brush roll putting the dirt back down onto your carpeting. So this is a better design than the powered lift away with DuoClean. Look at that, just nice and clean. You can see it sucking in some of the dirt before it gets to it because of the high airflow and the airflow channels in the front of the cleaner head. See some agitation right there. Alright, so this has been a very good cleaning. There's a little bit left to do. Not too much. This machine has done really good on this low pile carpet. Alright, so let's take a look at the brush roll. There wasn't too much long hair there, so you can see that brush roll is still nice and clean. So all the dirt in the dirt bin we just got off of this little area rug. You can see that is quite a lot of hair. There is the filter. The filter looks nice and clean. I don't see any dirt or dust or hair on this filter, so it has done a good job with the cyclone in separating all of the fine dust and the sand out. So that is good. So I hope you enjoyed this video with the Shark Navigator Lift-Away. Please let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. If you would like to purchase this Shark Navigator Lift-Away with the 0M cleaner head, you may click the link in the description below.